So at Rio Tinto, I am part of the aluminium business, 7 operations across the east coast of Australia. The bauxite mines are generating the ore that gets shipped down to our refineries, then is refined and generates alumina, is either exported to customers or shipped to our smelters, be turned into final product, which is aluminium. Some of the challenges that led us to this project was the fact that our previous system that we were using at Rio Tinto to capture downtime and losses in our process, it was a system that was built in-house and the system was essentially not being used. That led us to a discovery phase in trying to identify what sort of product could we use that's off the shelf that would allow us to track our losses across our process. We knew that the iron ore business was already using AVEVA production management, so it was only natural that we could standardize the solution and use that as well. PI is already widely used across Rio Tinto. Once that data is fed into production management, we're able to extract that data into several different reports in Power BI. Power BI is our standard tool across Rio Tinto where people put together dashboards and reports. We have 2 main key players that are using the AVEVA software. The first one are the end users, mainly our operators on site. They are the key people putting the data into the system and making sure their losses, they are being captured automatically by the system. The second key player in that process, our supervisors and our area managers, they will be consuming their data and will be extracting data from Ampler into Power BI. Several different reports and dashboards are putting together. That normally at senior leadership team meetings, they will be looking at their data and investigate what sort of losses they had on a given shift and what can be done to improve. We're using the data that we're currently getting to establish a baseline in our plant. We'll be able to tell their current utilization and our current availability for a particular area of the plant. If we have plant running at 100% availability, 80% utilization, how can we bridge that gap? This is the sort of the outcome of the data that we get from the system that we want to act on to lead to an improvement.